So now I want to show you about how to add rows, delete rows, columns, etc. Supposing we've got a new person here. So supposing we've got a different Amy. So we want to add a row there. So now we left click there. The easiest way of doing it, there's many other ways you can use these functions up here, but the easiest way is to left click there, right click, and then left click insert. We just insert a new name. So we can call, supposing Amy 2. We've got another Amy. And then we can start filling in numbers. And then supposing we get suddenly we get like 5 Amy's. So we get 3 more Amy's all at the same time. So, which is possible but unlikely. So in other words, how to insert 3 rows. So if I click on the 21, keep the left button pushed down. Keeping it pushed down, just move it down until all 3 rows are selected. Then right click and then click on insert, and we've added 3 rows. So, and then suppose they all leave, so we want to delete them all. We do the same thing reverse. So you left click on that cell on the number 20, and then keeping the left button pushed down, you just move that down, dragging it, and then let go of the button. So now those 4 rows are selected. Then you right click on anywhere there in the column of numbers, and then left click delete. Then that gets rid of them. And then we can do the same thing here. Supposing we wanted to add some columns here for more data or spacing, whatever reason. Suppose you want to add 3 columns there. So you left click on the word Q, and then keeping your left button pushed down on the mouse, you just move the mouse over, drag it to the right, then right click, then click on the word insert. Hey presto, we just inserted 3 columns. And then then if we decided we didn't want them again, to delete them, same thing again. So click there, move the mouse to the right, dragging it, then they're now selected. Now right click on one of the letters, delete. So you can do that, you can just keep on doing that all day long if you like. Well, I deleted that by mistake, you see. I deleted it twice. So what I need to do now is to undo. Just click on the undo thing at the top, or I could just do Control Z. And if I wanted to repeat the action I just undid, you could redo it and redo it till you get to where you just were. So the undo is your friend. I use it all the time. Or you can do the same thing with Control Y and Control Z.